Hi everyone, welcome on board again. So in today's video, I show you how to do this viral phone dispensing juice effect. No wasting of time, let's get into it. First thing first, you need two phones, one doing the actual recording and the other placed on an empty glass and with the phone in between like this. Now you need another clip of you pouring juice or Fanta, Coke, anything in a glass just like this. Now let's get into the editing proper. So you want to click the plus sign on CapCut and bring in the two videos. First one where you put the phone on the cup and put your finger on it. Make sure you maintain your finger for as long as maybe 12 seconds. You're holding on to it. And when you're done with that, bring in the other video where you're pouring in the juice or, the drink into the glass just like this. Make sure you crop to exact point when the drink is pouring, pouring straight into the glass up to where it is 3/4 full in the glass. Please make sure you're following this screen pointer just as it is being shown, that dot on the screen. Yeah, so click on the juice clip and click on overlay and bring it down the bottom of the main clip. Now you're going to ensure to place it directly under the point where your finger touched the phone. Can you see that? Like just right once you leave your finger out of the first clip, the next clip you're seeing is where the Fanta is pouring in the glass cup. Yeah. Now click on the overlaid video to activate it. Yeah. When you do that, then you find the mask prompt and you click on horizontal and invert. Yeah. It's going to bring up this horizontal yellow line. Now use your index and thumb finger to bring that yellow line down. Yeah. Just right beneath the phone. Yeah. Like beneath the phone and above the glass, and that's all you need. Now let's watch what it looks like now. Yeah, exactly. No extra thing to do. That's it. Just go ahead and cut out the unnecessary parts at the end, the cap cut ending, the clip that's not needed. You've done the action part and that's it. And go ahead to export your video. This type of video is actually generating viral views on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook currently. And now let's watch the final version. There you have it. Tell me, did you find this video helpful? Please do well to subscribe, drop a like. If you have any queries, drop it in the chat box and I'll do my best to respond to all. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.